This is Rae Morris, author of Wifeology, a field guide to the wife in her natural habitat. I just wanted to say thanks to David for making this amazing course, 5 ridiculously simple steps to record your audiobook at home. Oh my goodness, if you're an author and you're thinking about recording your own audiobook, you need to get David's course. I have a background in radio, but that didn't make my job easier. In fact, it kind of made it complicated in my head. I was picturing myself needing to rent out studio time and then hire a sound engineer to edit out all of those pops and clicks and, the occasional hiccup that happens. I was seeing dollar signs and frankly, I was quite daunted by the enormity of that task. But then I found David's course and I realized I can record from the comfort of my own home. I could do all the editing myself using free software. In fact, that's the software and the microphone I'm using right now are the ones that David recommends. I think the results speak for themselves. I have a studio quality audiobook on Audible right now, and you can't tell the difference between my work and someone who hired a narrator or rented a professional studio. Let David show you how to do this. You're not going to regret it. Thanks, David.